Hello, my name is Alice McBride. I'm the Volunteer Development Officer for Engage Renfrewshire. Engage Renfrewshire is Renfrewshire's third sector interface, so we work with the third sector to maximise their potential. Third sector is charities, social enterprises and community groups. We work to advise them, so we advise them on best practice, we advise them on funding, and we also try and maximise their exposure, so we promote their work to the public. My work in particular is working with people to encourage them into volunteering. It's a fantastic opportunity to build your CV, to build your skills, so we encourage as many people into volunteering as possible. I also work with the groups, with our members, our charities, to make sure that volunteering is a rewarding experience for all. During COVID-19, I've been working with our groups to ensure any essential volunteering is done safely, so that's things like food provision, food deliveries, or calls to the elderly. But I've also been handling the huge increase in interest in volunteering. In Renfrewshire, over 1,300 people made a note of interest and came forward and said that they'd like to volunteer at this time. So it's managing that expectation while also respecting our charities, the members, and the limitations that they're working with under lockdown. A lot of people think, and a lot of people thought before lockdown, that volunteering just happened in charity shops or with sports clubs, but I think COVID-19 has really shown how varied volunteering is and how important it is to society. It can really develop the soft skills that people look for, so there's things like team building and presentation skills, and it can give you a great opportunity to try out things that would otherwise be quite hard to get into, those careers that are really competitive. I'm really passionate about trying to get more young people into arts and culture organisations, because it's a really competitive field, but also the organisations are just crying out for those skills that young people have, things like social media management and engagement. So if you're interested in volunteering, we have all different kinds of roles and they become more and more available as lockdown eases. If you want to find out more, you can get in touch with Engage Renfrewshire, or you can go to volunteer.engagerenfrewshire.com and register your interest. Thanks.